How long you got on that tuna?
Good afternoon, welcome to the Yacht Club.
Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Callahan. It's nice to see you. I see your reservation. Let me take you to your table.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling the Peninsula Yacht Club. This is Will. How may I assist you?
May I place an order for delivery to my boat, L36? We wanted to join a club, a yacht club.
Oh, hey there!
And we came here and we absolutely loved how we were welcomed to this club and made to feel comfortable. And we felt that we found a home.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Knox. How are you today?
Good afternoon, Mr. Knox. Let me help you with that.
I can tell you right now, this has been probably the best experience we've ever had. It's like being on vacation.
Welcome to the game truck. Come on in.